TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 12 noon Eastern Time, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as all the major indices currently in the red. Dow Jones negative by 75 points, trading at 24,023. S&P is negative by about 10 points, trading at 2642, and the NASDAQ negative by 13, trading at 7117. And of course, it's Fed Day. We have the Fed coming out with their announcement 2 p.m. Eastern Time today, 2 hours from right now. The market waiting for that news for sure. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the S&P 500. So approaching the lows of the session that we pretty much made about 5 minutes ago. We were up here early in the pre-market trading at about 26.58. We're now a solid 16 points below that level in the S&P 500 futures, currently trading 26.42. NASDAQ 100 near the lows of the session as well, currently trading 66.60. And that NASDAQ, that is with Apple doing big numbers today. Things would be dramatically different. Just to jump over to Apple. Apple up 3.6%, was up more, but 3.6%, up $6.24 today. That's putting numbers in the Dow. That's putting numbers in the NASDAQ especially. And still these markets negative with that news. Dow 30 currently trading 23,964. Crude oil market trading at 67.37 with the EIA inventory report coming out at 10:30 Eastern Time. Jumping to those numbers for a quick second. There's your headline number. EIA crude seeing a surplus of 6.2 million barrels. The estimate was only a rise in inventories of 1.2 million barrels, and not too much with the market jumping around a bit. You see that volatility on that news, but within about 10 pennies of where we were before that number. And gold, 1307 in gold. Gold should see some volatility on that Fed number at 2 p.m. as well. Stay tuned. Basil Chapman coming up right now. And of course, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien all this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody.